Welcome to our ultimate dash cam comparison. Today, we will be looking at two popular models, the WOLFBOX G840S and the GKU Dash Cam. Both offer impressive features for drivers, but which one is right for you? Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. The WOLFBOX G840S features a large 12-inch LCD display, providing a clear and expansive view of the road and rear. In contrast, the GKU Dash Cam has a compact 1.47-inch LCD, which, while functional, may not offer the same level of visibility. This difference in display size can significantly affect user experience, especially when monitoring footage. When it comes to storage, the WOLFBOX G840S includes a 32 GB card, while the GKU Dash Cam comes with a larger 64 GB card. This means that the GKU can store more footage before needing to overwrite older files, making it a more convenient option for users who want to capture longer drives without interruption. The WOLFBOX G840S includes GPS functionality, allowing users to track their location and speed during recording. This feature can be crucial for providing additional context in case of incidents. On the other hand, the GKU Dash Cam does not have built-in GPS, which may be a drawback for those who value this feature in their dash cam. In conclusion, both the WOLFBOX G840S and the GKU Dash Cam offer valuable features for drivers. The WOLFBOX stands out with its larger display and GPS functionality, while the GKU impresses with its storage capacity and lower price point. Depending on your needs, one may be more suitable than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.